2024, we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Porsche Korea. We came up with something very exclusive, a Sonderwunsch Market Edition, 50 cars exclusively built, our appreciation to the Korean customers. Sonderwunsch is our offer to create products that go beyond our catalog offers. Usually, we work on topics that have never been available before. Due to the fact that this product substance that you find in the cars is not available for any other customers. Of course, the value of these cars is very high, and we're talking about real collector's items. Porsche Korea is one of our most important markets. We get a lot of inspiration, and we are very thankful for all the passion for our brand and the excitement for our products. We deeply enjoy the close link between our Porsche DNA and the Korean society and culture.
Well, normally, whenever we do a market edition, there's one color. It's a common color, sort of ties them all together. But with the K-Edition, we decided to do 5 different colors for the 50 cars, 10 of each to represent different metropolitan areas or even an island.
Busan, Jeju, Gwangju, Zhejiang, and Seoul.
One of the colors that we chose is called Ruby Red Metallic, and that was chosen to represent the area of Zhejiang, which is an area of Korea that goes way back in history and is also the high-tech area, which funnily enough is very similar to what Porsche is all about, tradition and innovation. When you have an edition of 5 different colored cars, you always need certain elements to sort of bring them together. In this, we chose, together with the Korean market, this idea of the skyline that represents different buildings or architecture or monuments within Korea. There's one little element that we're quite proud of. It's a specially designed stamp, and it's based on the king's stamp. And within that symbol, we spelled the name Taycan in the Korean language, and we use that on different places within the car. If you look at the challenges of the project, there's a couple things that stand out, such as the cross-stitching. It's very complicated, very beautiful stitching. We applied that for the first time in the Taycan. Also, the subject of color blocking, creatively developing all these elements together, sort of bring it all into a real complete package that's also, at the same time, very individual.
We bring together the experts from the market, in this case Porsche Korea, and our Sonderwunsch organization in the Stuttgart headquarters. And therefore, you can see and feel all the emotion that was brought personally into this project in the result, in the product substance of these very exclusive cars.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.